Hello, Big Papa here. I'm gonna make you a really fun little fish sandwich. This is cooking inside. It's time, it's fall. It's time to cook a little inside. So what we're gonna do, a cup of flour. Okay, let me get a quarter cup of cornstarch. This is it. I think it's pretty close to this because it's almost out. Precision is my life here. Okay, so now we want to take a teaspoon of baking powder in there. We're going to do another quarter cup of potato starch. This is going to make it really crispy. Now comes the seasoning part that's so much fun. Half a teaspoon hallelujah lime. Maybe just a little more. You got to feel these things, you know that? You can't just go by rote. You got to feel it. 1 tablespoon and a half of Desert Gold. We love our Desert Gold. That's a total of 2 tablespoons of the dry ingredients. Hallelujah lime, Desert Gold. Okay, we're gonna mix this up really good, really good. Now, a big key in this is ice cold beer. So I'm not gonna put the beer in until in just a second. What I'm gonna do is very simply dredge these cod fillets, fresh cod fillets, in the potato starch. We're gonna pour the beer in, we're gonna dip it in, we're gonna cook it over on the stove at 375 for about 3 minutes aside. We'll check the thermopin. We want them beautifully crunchy, golden brown, and we want them cooked through to at least 140 internal temperature. So the thermopin, once again, is your friend, and we like that. So there's that. Look at, we're catching up. We're catching up. We'll do some quick cleanup. Here's our ice cold vanilla. The yeast in the beer helps with the crispiness. The cold is very critical. The sugar in there is helping us. Oh, it's a beautiful, bubbly batter. Now, in the old days, I'd take the last slug. But nope, not for you guys. Okay, we got a beautiful seasoned batter. We got some nice dusted cod fillets. We're going to go over there. We're going to dip them. We're going to cook them. See you over there. Okay, going to check our oil. God, how good is that? I went 375. That's what I got. Just whip this just a little bit. Take some of the lumps out of it. Let's do 2 at a time. See how this goes. So we've got it in the oil. We're cooking it up. It should be beautiful. Always good to monitor your temperature of your oil. See that dropped quite a bit, so I want to bump it up because I want it to get golden brown. That's what I'm looking for. We're gonna cook it for a while at this temperature. We're gonna flip it when we think it's starting to get golden brown. Then we're gonna transfer it to this baking tray with a rack. Check our temp again. We're on 318 and bump it a little bit more. Gonna bubble nice. Get this out of here. Oh, it's starting to talk to me. Let me make sure it's not getting too hot here. Let me check. Nope, it needs to be even hotter. On the other side. I want to see them a little darker. I got 3 more. Pretty good. The temperature is so key if I keep checking it. And we're getting the color we like now. Ooh, that pan's talking to us, you hear it? It's yelling. Okay, this one's done. Onto the rack. This one's done. This time, I'm gonna let the heat get up about 400 because to compensate for the drop that's gonna come. Beautiful. So let's dunk these. Go 3 this time. Okay, let's flip them. Okay, it's draining beautifully. It's gonna get some melted cheese. As it settles in here, we're just gonna put this over quickly. Let's move this off the fire very carefully. Okay, this is looking really good. It's almost done. Okay, I love this. You're staying with me. I'm going to toast these brioche buns. They're buttered. Almost. Okay, the buns are getting toasted. I'm almost over here, guys. There we go. Let's give this one just a little more. Okie dokie, here comes the fun. We're going to assemble these sandwiches. We got Desert Gold, we got Hallelujah Lime. We're going to put mayonnaise on the bottom. Let's put some tomatoes here. None for me though, because I think tomatoes are toxic. You won't see me eat a tomato unless it's cooked. But little Louie, she loves her tomatoes. Now we're going to go in and we're going to put a little bit of this lettuce on top. These are looking really good. Wish you could be here for it. Now let's go to the top bun, some tartar sauce. Not too much. That looked like too much, but it's not, trust me. You've got to trust Papa. If you can't trust Papa, who can you trust? That is little Louie's. We have mine. Here comes little Louie's. It's crunchy. It's got a little cheese. Here comes Papa's, the big boy. Here's Papa's fried fish sandwich, Colby Jack cheese. It's got some tartar sauce, it's got some mayo, some lettuce, and mine doesn't have tomato. Desert Golden Hallelujah Lime or the seasoning inside the batter. So let me take some pictures of these and let's dive in.